All right, welcome to our lease listing here, 179 Buckthorn. As you can tell, it's in this neighborhood right next to downtown Dripping Springs. To the left side of the screen, you can see Dripping Springs High School is close by. So you have this high school, HEB's real close walking distance. There's a lot close by, plus the Founders Ridge Park is right next to it. Mazama Coffee, all that fun stuff is right down the street. So this is in a prime location. Okay, here's the street looking at 179 Buckthorn, and here is the property. So pretty well maintained, newer property here in the Heritage community. The one thing about this, it doesn't have side yards or backyards, so something to think about when you're looking at this. But overall, it's a fantastic little property here, and you just cannot beat the location. All right, as we step inside, this is a 3-bedroom, almost 1,800 square foot, 2-story property. You got pretty good open space here from the kitchen, living room, dining. So great space for your living room here. Off to the side, you'll see a little nook for like a table. Here, there's a stairs to the right. I will let you walk through here. So granite countertops, you have a little like book reading nook station here, and there's also some storage underneath the stairs here as well, as I will show you. This is a great wide open floor plan. So nice island here. You would have, you definitely make this like a dining room area. The fridge does convey as part of the rental. Shot of the granite countertops. So like I said, the fridge does convey, all the appliances convey. Great size pantry here as well. Overall, this is a really nice, see in this little spot right here, you can put your coffee maker, little spot right here for that. Lots of cabinet space in this kitchen as well. So it's a great, very well flowing floor plan. Great size living space here. There is a half bath downstairs as well, and the laundry is downstairs. And I'll show you what comes with the garage as well. So we're going to head in that direction right here. So here's where the garage entry is. Back here, there is a bathroom. Your laundry here is to the left with a nice sized closet. Bathroom with, and then you have a mud bench here as well. So throw your backpacks, all that fun stuff. Great size half bath down here. This is a 2-car garage. It does come with a reverse osmosis. So you would have that to keep, the water soft. So that way you can drink straight from the tap. So nice that it has that good size garage in here as well. Showing you the laundry that you do get. Here's the closet. So you get a little closet here. Laundry, you do have really good laundry space here. Some storage area. And then you do have the washer and dryer, which convey. Let's head upstairs and show you upstairs, as there will be 3 bedrooms and 2 more baths. So 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just about 1,800 square foot. In a minute, I'm going to show you kind of driving around the neighborhood here. So stay tuned for that. So I'll show you what is close by and how fast it is to drive. So upstairs, here's the master bedroom right off to the left. Then you will have a full bath here with 2 additional bedrooms. So great size master bedroom. Definitely plenty of space for full, like California King in here. You have lots of dresser space in here. The closet I'll show you is a great size closet. Overall, really good size master bedroom, especially for a rental property. This is fantastic. So great size closet here. All right, let's step inside in a second and show you the master bath. So dual vanities here, decent amount of counter space and cabinet space. There is also a closet in here, so you do have more room for your linens and all the other stuff you need in there. You do have a tub, so if you have kids or you want to wash your dogs or any of that good stuff, there's a tub in here, so that's great for that. Here is your water closet, decent sized water closet. And then here's that little closet for linens and stuff. Great size for all that good stuff. Okay, let's check out the other two bedrooms, and then I'm going to show you the community itself. So stay tuned for that. Lighting isn't the greatest here. It's showing a little yellow, but the features in here are pretty nice. It's a very cloudy day, so it's really hard to get good quality video in here, but you do have another full bath here and then 2 bedrooms. I'll show you the closets in these because the closets are good size as well. So great size bedrooms overall. The layout has really good size rooms. Here's the closet. Great size closet. Great size room. Let's pop in the other room. So like I said, 2.5 bath, 3 bedroom, 2 car garage, just about 1,800 square foot. Overall, great floor plan. Let me show you the community. So this is the back of the house. So this is the garage entry back here. So if you're coming in the back, right here you go. At the end of this street, there is going to be a green space plus where you have right here is you can see the mailboxes, but green space if you want to walk your dogs. Great location right here because you can walk down the street in a second. I'll show you the Founders Memorial Park is right down the street. So here's leaving that same little area. There's development going in across the street. I believe, I don't know who the builder is over there, Meritage maybe. But right at the end of the street, you have Founders Memorial Park. So that was a 5-minute walk, maybe less than 5-minute walk. Here's the park. So there's a big football field. You have a pool here. There's parks for kids. Today they're having a Halloween party because this is Halloween. So we'll show you this in a second. So here's a pool. There's a bunch of playgrounds back over here as well. So playground, pool, sports rec area. This is all right at the end of the street, and this is not a far walk. I mean, literally, this is less than a 5-minute walk from the unit. So see back there, there's lots of playground space. Okay, so this is leaving that same little area right there. Right here to the right is the neighborhood. So coming back around, this is the neighborhood. That was that green space I was showing you, to the other side of the green space I was showing you earlier. So showing you there is shopping right at the end of the street right here. So prime location. I mean, you can walk to all this. So you got food options here right at the end of the street. There's quite a bit in this little area. Plus HEB is on the other side of 71 right here. So that big complex you see on the left-hand side of the gas station, that is HEB. And then I'll show you how close everything else is. Mercer downtown is real close. So you have HEB right here. And then to the right, you're going to have Home Depot. Lots of different places to eat at right here as well. So this is making a right onto 71. On the left side of the road there, you have Sonic. And then you're going to have Home Depot on the left side as well. I'm going to make a right in a second onto Mercer Street. So Home Depot, Banks, Taco Bell, Chase, all the good stuff you need right here on the left. You can go straight or turn right here to go to Mercer, but there's other stuff right here. Is a pizza joint, a bunch of different little places to go. My favorite restaurant in the area, Homespun, is right here on the right, that building right there on the right. And right at the light here is downtown Mercer. The high school's on the other side of the street, so really close location for that. So lots of fun stuff. Reach out to us if this is an option for you.